Growing your business can be expensive. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to manage and scale your global workforce, look no further. Multiplier provides the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry while empowering your business to hire talent anywhere in the world. Here's how we do it. Eliminate entity setup costs. Let's start with a quick overview of what Multiplier offers. With Multiplier, you can employ and explore talent in over 150 countries, regardless of whether you're looking to hire full-time or part-time employees, or even contractors. Our platform lets you expand into new markets without the need for setting up a local entity or investing in the operations and infrastructure that typically comes with it. This flexibility means you can tap into new talent pools quickly and dynamically, adapting to market changes without the hefty costs of building operations from scratch. Transparent and localized pricing. We also pride ourselves in creating a pricing structure that is flat and transparent with localized, vision-aligned pricing to wage-sensitive markets. If you visit our pricing page on our website, you will find a detailed breakdown of our pricing structure. But here are some highlights where we stand out. Unlike other platforms that charge based on a percentage of your payroll, we offer flat rates that don't increase with salary increments. We talk about how localization is very important to us here at Multiplier, and this is evident even in our pricing structure. We understand that wages vary across regions, and our costs are sensitive to these differences. For instance, salaries in markets like India or the Philippines are often significantly lower compared to other countries, and our localized pricing aligns with this reality, making it more affordable for businesses to scale in wage-sensitive markets. We also guarantee that there are no hidden charges, and you will never be blindsided by extra costs, just predictable and straightforward pricing tailored to your needs. Eliminate additional tech investment. Lastly, Multiplier is more than just a hiring platform. We have the capabilities to manage the entire employee lifecycle, helping you handle everything from approving leave requests, managing expenses, processing payroll. This means you don't need to invest in additional tools or software to manage your workforce. Our all-in-one solution minimizes your tech investment, streamlining your operations and reducing costs further. By choosing Multiplier, you're not just reducing your total cost of ownership, you're building a cost-efficient and scalable global workforce solution. You can access talent anywhere in the world without the financial burden of local infrastructure, enjoy transparent and localized pricing, and manage your entire workforce with a single platform.